It is my honor to stand before you as we gather to pay tribute to the American flags that fly across our Columbus campus at The Ohio State University. It's important to us that the flag that waves here every day on all of the flag staffs get replaced because we don't want tradition to be faded like the flag. So as soon as it starts to fade, we replace it with a new one. It's an honor thing, it's respect, it's honoring and respecting those who came before us and just making sure that the symbol of America waving on this campus is at its utmost greatest.
From my era of cadets here, going to school at Ohio State University, attending classes right here behind me at Converse Hall. Regardless of the branch of service you were in, we all wore our uniforms with pride and with honor on campus. There was never any hesitation. I can't tell you how many times I walked across the oval where somebody said, "Hey, thanks for your service."
Present arms.
We wear the flag on our uniform. It's on our aircraft. Flag was raised up over the Mount Suribachi in Iwo Jima, right? And it's flown over many places far and wide. It always represents who and what we are when we see it. I think people get a special sense of pride. Think about the Olympics, when the flag goes up, when one of our athletes wins a gold medal, or when they raise the flag during the football game. That's the cadets and midshipmen right here over at the shoe. Huge sense of honor. You hear it in the crowd, patriotism for what it represents to our country.
This is a day primarily to honor our country, and I think everybody should be behind something like this because it's the greatest nation in the world and it symbolizes our strength. So for me personally, it means people have fought for this before me and I'm the next generation.
I hope that we do it for the rest of time. Yes, it's a great event. It's just once a year thing, and the honor and tradition that it brings to the university, it should never end.